This is a Seritag tutorial to show you how to get your Google review link for use with our Google NFC review stands and products. First, make sure you are logged into Google in your browser. Navigate up to the waffle menu, the square of 9 dots, on the top right of the screen. Now click on Business Profile Manager. It may not be in the same location as it is on this video, so you might need to scroll down through your apps to find it. If you don't have a Google business profile, go to business.google.com, sign in, and then click Add Your Business to create one. You should now see a Your Business on Google screen. Click on the Ask for Reviews icon. You will see a pop-up titled Get More Reviews. This link, starting with g.page, is the landing page for your reviews. Enter this into the review link box when ordering your NFC review products with Seritag. If your chosen review product also has a QR code, Seritag will link this through to your review page as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more NFC tutorials and products from Seritag.